Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia if it's your first time here. As you can see by the title, today I have a small haul for you. I'm super excited about the things that I got though, so if you want to see what I got, then of course keep on watching. So first things first, I picked up this Urban Decay Face Bond Foundation. It's been everywhere, okay guys, but I saw my girl Michelle from Brown Beats. She did a review on it and I just fell in love. Like, it looks so good on her skin. It's lightweight. It says it's waterproof, up to 24-hour wear. It has niacinamide in it and can't feel coverage. Listen, I'm outside in the heat. I just filmed a humidity proof makeup routine, but when I seen this, I said, dang, I need this in my routine. So, but if you haven't seen my humidity proof routine, then of course, I'll leave it down below. Check it out, okay? But this sounded like the heaven. Like I got so excited, honestly. And like I said, just seeing it on her skin and how beautiful the coverage was, on top of the fact that it's waterproof and light coverage, I don't know, sold instantly. So I picked it up. I will definitely be having an initial wear test coming soon, so stay tuned for that. So next, I was gifted a serum from Science Serum, and I got excited because they had a eye serum, and you guys know I've been looking for like different eye creams. I'm out, like, my eyes are my little problem area, so I'm always looking for something to kind of help it, to keep it looking as best as possible, so I can look as young as possible, right? This is the serum. It's called Tight Eye. It is a clinical anti-aging serum. It reduces the appearance of lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet, tightens and smooths skin around the eyes, patented formula with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, visible results in 5 minutes. Like, I'm super excited about that. I will be testing it out over the next few days, and of course I'll come back and let you guys know how I like it. The last package is what I'm most excited for in today's haul. This is my LYS Beauty package. Look at this packaging. Like, look at this. It's blush pink, y'all. Has the LYS Beauty on it. If you're new here, I am a packaging junkie, okay? If it's cute, if it's pink, if it has bling bling on it, I want it just because, okay? But if you don't know, LYS Beauty stands for Love Yourself Beauty. I absolutely love this brand. I love what it stands for. Everything about it, okay? It's a Black woman-owned brand, and their products are all clean, and they're also infused with skin care loving ingredients. So honestly, if you don't know about them, you definitely need to check them out. I actually have a discount code for it, so I will have it down below, and I'll probably put it across the screen. Oh yeah, and did I mention these products are actually affordable? So on top of the fact that the quality is so good, they're affordable. But you will see, okay? You will see. Look at how cute this is. And then this is what I got. So LYS Beauty just released some cream stick blushes, and I picked up 2 of them because I'm super excited. I do love their blushes. I have a couple of the matte ones, but these ones are more, I think, they're kind of like a glow. So yeah, it's called Higher Standard Cream Glow Blush Stick. This is the packaging. Super, super cute packaging. Again, the triangular prism. So the first one I got is called Outgoing, and this is a watermelon pink, and oh, when I saw this, I fell in love. How cute. And it's that beautiful, it's like an iridescent pink, so it's not matte like the other thing. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so pretty. I don't even want to swatch it. So this is watermelon pink, y'all. Of course, you guys will see this in some upcoming videos, but this is what it looks like before I actually blend it out. I barely wanted to swatch it, y'all. You can tell, right? Ooh wee, this is so pretty. Look at that. This is pigmented as crap, but that's so pretty. This is perfect summertime, spring, summertime blush. Oh my goodness. And then the next one that I got is called Courageous. And this one is a poppy orange. So you know you can't go wrong with an orange on a brown skin tone, so I had to pick up this one. Let's see. So that's it. Before I blend it out, look at that orange. And so these have the nice glow within. So if you don't want to even add highlighter, you can just use these blushes. They're going to give you a nice glow. These colors are perfect. I picked well. And then next, they released a new highlighter stick. So their actual highlighter that I have in like the pan form, I'm obsessed with the rose gold one. I've been using it lately, so you guys have probably seen it in a few of my videos. But I had to get the stick one because I felt like that's just so cool. So again, I got the one called Genuine, and this is a rose gold. Look at the packaging. Man, for an affordable brand, like, they don't play about the packaging, and I told you guys, I'm obsessed. Like, how pretty is this? Oh yeah, and it's so creamy, just like everything else. They can't do no wrong. So this is the highlighter here. Let me rub it in a bit. Oh yeah, that is it. And then I picked up some lip products. So they do have lip products, and I don't have any of these yet. So I got this Moisture Matte Lipstick. This is the packaging, and the color I got is Sincere. It's kind of like a nude pink. Oh, this is cute. So it's giving like a patent leather pink, and then the rose gold, and the rose gold LYS sign here. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, so slim and cute. And then it has the rose gold at the back. Like I said, their packaging is just too cute for it to be so affordable and so good. I'm obsessed. Oh, how cute. Look at that. This is the lipstick. I don't want to break it, but yeah. And that's what it looks like. This is the perfect nude. A nice nude pink. Can't go wrong with that, honestly. Can't wait to try this. Oh my gosh. So yeah, and the lipstick felt really nice and creamy as well, although it is supposed to be a matte. So I picked up their lip pencil in the shade Devoted. So again, the little blush pink and rose gold. Okay, this is a perfect brown. It's giving MAC chestnut. Perfect brown. Perfect brown liner. I love it. And it was nice and smooth. So yeah, and last but not least, I picked me up a beauty sponge, and I really wanted to try out their sponge. It looks so different. Oh, it's so cute. So this is their sponge. It has the LYS embossed in it, and it's a nice blush pink, of course. Super smooth. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I can't wait to use this. This seems like it's going to be amazing. It feels good. And look at, like, even to my concealer or to set, you guys know. This right here, I'm excited. I'm so excited to use this. If you can't tell, I'm super excited. I can't wait to use these products. So of course, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so that you can see the rest of the videos when I do use these products. Tell me some of your must-haves from LYS Beauty, because I don't have everything, but I do have a lot. But, you know, tell me your must-haves. And of course, as always, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.